The Lagos State government, in collaboration with Asseco Software Nigeria, has commenced the training of students from Lagos Education District 3 on the use of drones through the program Steam Up Lagos. Speaking at the commencement of the program held at Wahab Folawuyo Senior High School, Victoria Island.
Actually, as you plan your mission on your computer, and this is also answering your question, why, yes, you can connect your drone to your phone. But you know, as you're planning your mission, you have a lot of functionalities to use. So it's actually much easier to have something like that of this size because you are going to set those points. This is your mission. You want to map that area.
So you have to make sure your takeoff height is not too far, so that by the time you now transit, just the front motor will begin to work only. If you work for too long with those motors, it will burn out. But this one can work for 1 hour without burning out.
The Tutor General Permanent Secretary, Education District 3, Dr. Olufunke Oyetola says the STEAM Up Lagos is a science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics education intervention under the auspices of the Office of the Senior Special Assistant to the Governor of Lagos State on Education.
This will be beneficial to them. It will give them financial power. Because technology is the latest thing in town, these students, when they can do it on their own, some can couple the drone, some can fly it, and when they do it, they get money for it, and even it will give them international exposure. So my words to these children is that let us make use of this that we are being taught today, because I know that they are going to do better in life.
The initiator of the program and Senior Special Assistant to the Governor of Lagos State on Education, Mrs. Adetola Salau, noted that the initiative is designed to improve the technology template of students as well as prepare them for various competitions and improve their skills for the future.
The STEAM Up Lagos drone program was designed to make sure that our students are able to infuse global practices that have to do with applying technology into challenges that we have around us right here in the world. For example, we spoke to the students about using drones to solve challenges around agriculture, also problems around health, and we could go on. So exposing our students to being able to assemble, fly a drone, understand what the components are, what it means to fly, be a pilot, a drone pilot, things like that. It was really, really critical. And that was what we accomplished with this program today.
A drone pilot and facilitator took over 50 students selected across the district to participate in the training through the technical and practical aspects of flying drones.
As part of our flight operations through Lagos State, we were taking off and landing at various different school complexes. So it's not just passively seeing, we give them the opportunity, of course, in an organized way to actually play around with it, to have a feel, to understand also how, how to properly fly drones, what kind of permits, what kind of authorizations are required, and how to do it the right way. We love to share knowledge, to educate. We're in the center of excellence, and this is our future.
This actually makes them very creative, and that definitely is going to impact them academically, because it's not just what you're taught, especially when you are looking at science courses. You have to be innovative in how you answer the questions. There's no right or wrong answer. Whatever answers you give, if you are able to back it up with logic, then you're good. And I think this is good for them logically.
Once they begin to see that this is something they love to do, once they leave secondary school, they can actually begin to design drones, because today we've seen one of the students design his own drone. So that's something. We don't always have to import drones in Nigeria. We can begin to have students make drones locally here, and we export it to other countries. So that's what we're about, and that's what we really want to encourage people to do.
From this program I've witnessed today, I've also learned on how to set a career on it, and I'm going to apply it on the agricultural aspect, where I'm planning to become a farmer. Then I would acquire the drone, fly, and use it in irrigation, the artificial irrigation, and controlling of pests and all of that stuff like that.
When I built my first drone, actually it was stressful because it was not working the way I wanted it to work. So I was actually still working on it till I get to the one I'm actually using now to represent Lagos State as a whole. I faced a lot of challenge, but I did not stop till I get to where I am today. So my own encouragement for them is that for them to keep on doing whatever they are doing, they will actually have the good news out of it.
The Office of the Senior Special Assistant to the Governor of Lagos State on Education says it will continue to work and support the students through STEAM Up Lagos to create apps and robotics, stressing the students will also be exposed to global trends pertaining to the initiative.